Oh yeah, alright. Thanks for coming back. I've just come down to the woods for literally just a couple of hours, just to chill out, have a cup of coffee, have a play around with my hammock. It's just started raining. Fantastic. So yeah, have a play around with my hammock and tarp. Got given a couple of hints and tips from Lee, so I'm going to try that out. Literally, I'm just going to chill out in the hammock for an hour or so. And see if the tarp works. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the spot I was at last time. For my last hammock video, I was just there next to, I was sat on that stump there for a little bit, and the hammock was going across there. Looks like quite a popular camping spot, this. Certainly I'm not the first to be here. Someone's had fun. Well, it's pretty sheltered under here, so I'm just going to try and find somewhere, maybe a slightly different spot. I know I can go there, so slightly different spot than last time. Let's see how we get on. Hopefully this tarp is waterproof. I guess we'll soon find out, won't we? Right, as you can see, it's all set up. I'm not happy with it at all. I can't get enough tension in the tarp. So it's come with this, where am I? Yeah, it's come with this sort of elastic cable string, which you can't get any tension on it. So I'm guessing paracord, would that be the best thing to get? If you can let me know in the comments below, please. Or just a new tarp, because it does cover it, but only just. If I move away there, you can see it's barely covering it. That corner there will tension out a bit more, I suppose, to get rid of that sag in the middle there. That corner's okay, but yeah, that one needs to come out a bit more. But as I say, with this elastic string, it's a bit rubbish. But anyway, yeah, she's up. A bit high off the ground this time, I think. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to chill out here for a little bit. I was going to get my little stove going that I got from Daffod in the mystery box, but everything's just soaking wet. So I've got, yes, everything's literally just saturated. I've got no hope of lighting anything here, so no coffee, no food. I've got my jet boil type stove with me, so I could still do a coffee. I'll see how I feel in a bit, but I'm just going to chill out in the hammock. Well, I've been in here for a little while now, and I'm realising things that I think I need to be doing. I think I need, when I camp, I'm going to have my sleeping bag, my heavy one underneath, with my sleeping mat on top, and then I'm going to be in a sleeping bag on top of that. So this is going to be all spread out a lot more than it is. And also as well, I've got these on the outside. I've got one there and one there on both sides to sort of give the hoop a bit more tension and to get the net higher up. So I think what I need to do is get some paracord, so I can loop from the tree through there, across through this one and up to the other tree on both sides, just to lift this up a bit, lift the mosquito net up a bit, and that's going to give me loads more room, because at the moment, I don't know if it's too tight. Is that too tight? It feels it. I don't think it was this tight last time I was in it. I don't think that sort of ridge line there was there last time. My feet are sort of falling down the sides. But as I say, it's only the second time I've put it up, so it's all trial and error, isn't it? There's nobody about though. The weather's not great, so everyone's staying away, which is really nice. Yeah, really, really nice. Loving it. I can hear quite a few people mooching about. I don't know what's going on, but it sounds like there's quite a lot. Right, I'm all packed up. I've had a lovely couple of hours down here. Just been chilling out. Nearly fell asleep. So that's got to be good, isn't it? That's it, that's your lot. I was a bit disappointed with the weather. It did say it might rain, but it wasn't forecast till later. I wanted to do have a go at feather sticking and stuff, because I've never done that before. And obviously get my little twig stove going and stuff like that, but never mind, next time. Best things come to those who wait, apparently, isn't it? So yeah, that's it. That's my time chilling out in the woods for a couple of hours. Thank you for watching. If you have got this far, please, about here, subscribe. There's another video there, another video, one there, and subscribe. Just tickle this one right here. thanks for watching. Cheers and gone.